100 days, one room, $500,000 on the line. Two complete strangers, Bailey and Susie, step into a giant white cube with no windows, no clocks, and no way to tell time. The rules are simple. Survive 100 days together in total isolation, and they split $500,000. But if even one of them gives up, they both walk away with nothing. No phones, no natural light, just canned food, harsh fluorescent bulbs, and a silence that grows heavier by the hour. The stage is set. Now, let's see how long sanity holds out. At first, Bailey and Susie are awkward, polite, and clearly unsettled by their sterile new home. A padded box with a single bed, a bathroom, and endless, blinding light. With no sense of time, their sleep schedules collapse almost immediately. Night 1, 2 hours of restless sleep. They wake up for a morning at what feels like 2:37 a.m. Their first battle isn't boredom, it's holding on to their sanity. They invent games from scraps of paper, create fake sign-in sheets to keep track of imaginary dates, and agonize over every tiny decision. On day 10, Mr. Beast tempts them. Hire a private chef for $50,000. The offer is mouth-watering, but they refuse. That's when things get real. As days drag on, sleep deprivation sets in. Boredom morphs into a monster. They crave salt, coffee, and real conversation.